In this video, I'm going to guide you through the basics of Shape CRM, a cloud-based customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage leads, automate processes, and streamline communication. Whether you're in real estate, financial services, or any other industry, Shape CRM can be tailored to meet your needs. So, this guide will introduce you to the platform, highlight its benefits, and walk you through how to use its features. So, let's get started. So, first, what is Shape CRM? So, Shape CRM is a versatile CRM software that offers tools to help businesses manage leads, track sales, and automate customers' interactions. So, it's known for its industry specific features, particularly in sectors like real estate, financial services, and law, but it can be customized for various industries. Shape CRM enables businesses to consolidate customer data, manage marketing efforts, automate workflows, and track key metrics all in one platform. The software also integrates seamlessly with other tools like email systems, calendar apps, and third party services, which makes it easier to maintain a smooth workflow across your business. So, why use Shape CRM? Shape CRM is designed to help businesses using centralized customer data so you can keep all customer interactions, deals, and communication records in one place. Next is automate workflows. So you streamline repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails or tracking client interactions, reducing manual work and human error. Next is you can track sales and leads. Shape CRM provides powerful tracking tools to monitor sales performance, manage leads, and ensure that no opportunities are missed. Next is you can customize for industry needs. Shape CRM has tailored tools for industries like real estate, legal, and financial services, which means you get the functionality that fits your business needs. So the key benefits of Shape CRM is first, it's customizable industry-specific tools. So Shape CRM offers industry-specific tools designed to meet the unique needs of businesses in real estate, finance, legal, and more. The platform is flexible and allows for custom fields, reports, and workflows that fit your industry-specific processes. Next is enhanced lead and contact management. Shape CRM's lead and contact management system keeps track of your entire customer journey. You can capture leads, track interactions, and manage your sales pipeline from one central dashboard. This feature ensures that you never lose track of leads and helps you prioritize your sales efforts. Next is marketing automation. Shape CRM helps you automate key marketing tasks such as sending drip email campaigns, scheduling follow ups, and tracking customer engagement. These automation tools save time and allow you to focus on building relationships with your clients rather than handling repetitive tasks. Next is seamless integration with other tools. Shape CRM integrates with a variety of third party tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and email systems. This makes it easier to sync calendars, manage communication, and keep all your important data connected within your existing workflow. Now for the key features of Shape CRM. First is lead management and sales tracking. Shape CRM offers comprehensive lead management tools that help you track the entire sales process, from lead capture to deal closure. You can set up automatic lead distribution, prioritize hot leads, and assign tasks to team members. The system also allows for tracking lead sources and performance metrics, helping you refine your marketing strategies. Next key feature is task and workflow automation. The platform provides a workflow automation engine that allows you to automate repetitive tasks such as sending follow up emails, creating reminders, or updating contact statuses. This ensures that no tasks fall through the cracks and your team can focus on more strategic activities. And the other key features are built in reporting and analytics. Also, multi channel communication, which makes it easy to communicate with your leads and clients through multiple channels, including email, SMS, and phone calls. So, now let's head over and guide you through the website. So from here in the in the main website of Shape CRM, you'll see, as you can see in the front page, everything your business needs to grow is here, all in one user-friendly platform. So you can see custom solutions unique for your industry, such as mortgage, insurance, solar, education, small business. And we scroll down, as you can see, over 100,000 customers served, and it has 5-star reviews, which makes this software pretty good, and you can use it for all of your needs. So you can power your entire business in one easy platform. They have marketing suite, sales automation, pipeline management, task management, calling and texting, and reporting. And as you can see in the tabs in the top, you will see all of their features right here. They also have a mobile app to take your work on the go, and they also have their own AI system, which is the Shape AI. Now we want to go right here into industries. So these are all of the industries, as I said earlier, that benefits from Shape CRM. Now let's move on to pricing. So as you can see right here, they have 3 different plans and subscriptions that has different features. So first, you need to compare all of these plans to make sure that you will avail a plan that has all your needs. So basically, in conclusion, Shape CRM is a powerful and customizable tool for managing customer relationships, automating tasks, and streamlining sales processes. So by centralizing all your customer data and providing automation features, Shape CRM helps businesses improve productivity and enhance customer interactions. So that's basically all it is to this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.